Alam mo bang sobrang hirap kapag mag-isa ka lang? So, 5 years na akong living independently. Recently, I started my small business in photography. And at the same time, I'm making content cross social media platforms. At nag-aaral din ako for my upcoming board exam. Nagagawa ko lahat ng to dahil meron akong matibay na sandigan. And that is Power Cells. Your health is your greatest asset. As a breadwinner and influencer, taking care of your health with Power Cells Herbal Capsule isn't just for you, kundi pati na din sa mga taong umaasa sa'yo. Parating talaga yung araw na mapapagod ka sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. At the only source of motivation ay walang iba kundi yung mga taong tinutulungan mo. Pero sapat ba yung motivation lang para tumayo at lumaban ulit? Well, kailangan natin ng sandata na kung saan tutulungan tayo sa pakikipagdigmaan araw-araw. A capsule that will help you to fight diseases and will motivate you to achieve more. As a breadwinner, walang masamang tumulong. Yung masama ay kapag napapabayaan mo na ang iyong kalusugan.